So, good morning. Well, what I thought I'd do is what I call a early morning walk here in Tijuana, Mexico, just to kind of show you around what goes on at this hour of the morning. And it kind of gives you a good insight on where things are at. It's a little bit quiet this time of day, so let's get going and check out Tijuana. Now, right now, I'm currently on Revolucion, which is one of the main roadways here in Tijuana. And just take a look down. A lot of traffic out, not much. And take a walk up this way and see what's going on. Looks like they got a new residence. They're building condominiums over on the other side, I believe. That's what I saw yesterday. Got some nice painting here. It's a little bit chilly in the morning, I'm telling you. I gotta wear my beanie. Really got to be vigilant out here. Although this area that I'm in is pretty secure, somewhat, but you still have to be heads up on what's going on in your surroundings. So just be aware of that. It's a good idea to know what's outside your hotel. I'm really not far away from mine. And it kind of gives you a good feel of, you know, the pedestrians, the traffic at this hour, and people going to work. Check out this map. There it is. See that? Tijuana. And there are plenty of pharmacies around here, believe me. Not a shortage of those. Coming up to intersection. And a lot of taxi buses. I mean, look down here. A lot of pigeons. Woo. Now up there is the arch, but I'll head down the other way. Good morning.
Buenos días. Que tengas buen día.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
See a lot of taxis around here. Kind of getting to the little bit busier area here in Tijuana. So you got these early morning vendors out. Looks pretty good. This is what I like about early morning, is you can find a lot of like early morning food, tortillas. There's a coffee man right here. There's that fresh coffee right here on the street corner. Nescafe, that's one of my favorites. So you walk up this way. There's another peso exchange. You can see that, you know, it's about $1 equals about 18 pesos. I think that's what it like. Of course, another pharmacy. some more vendors. These are right on the corner. Like, look at these. It's like tamales. Good morning. How are you? Gracias. Typical street corner. There is Our Lady of Guadalupe, which is right down there. I was there yesterday. So continue my little walk here in early morning Tijuana. See all these little shops. Again, nothing really gets going till later. There's the time. See how early it is. 7:25. Now yesterday I went to Our Lady of Guadalupe, and it was actually feast day, so that was really nice to go over there and visit. It was really quite festive, to say the least. I really enjoyed it, and I'll be putting a video up on that very soon. And let's see, there is the beautiful Cathedral Catholic Church. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see, I think I will cross the street over here. Right off of Hotel Plaza de Oro. And then head back up the street there. Render activity. It's a typical street corner here in Tijuana, Mexico. Check it out. There, Hotel Plaza de Oro. Always lots of traffic, and this is early in the morning. I always use the never try to jaywalk around here. I'm just warning you. Always follow the traffic signals, and you should be pretty safe. But if you try to jaywalk, you may get hit. And you have a little vendor here on the side. Burrito is 17, which is pesos, which is about, it's about $1, you know. This gal is buying. So typical street corner here. You continue up this way. It's selling stuff on the street already. Our Lady of Guadalupe, right here. This one, yes. How are you doing this morning? Good? Not so good?
I just started.
Yeah.
You want to help me? Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Really?
You're very welcome.
I really appreciate that.
I love Tijuana.
I pray to God for you.
Oh, thank you very much. What's your name?
My name is Robert.
Roars? I'm very pleased to meet you. Very pleased to meet you. I want you to have a wonderful, blessed day.
You want you ask for me? I pass for you the double. You understand?
Blessed day, sir. So on my little early morning walk here, I just stopped here at Our Lady of Guadalupe, which is very nice. Went inside there. Very beautiful church. And now we'll continue on with our little walk. It's kind of the headline today. Still get newspapers, believe it or not. You don't see too many of these newsstands anymore, believe me. You won't find them in the US, I don't think so. But they are still out there. Head down this road. Got the different establishments around. Early morning eats in the morning. Tortillas. Never a shortage of those. El pollo. Ah, very good. All little hotels around here, believe me. Continue across the street. Another newsstand near those newspapers. And the vendors getting ready to sell something. Have to put the sunglasses on here pretty soon. See the traffic, and vendors are setting up. Can I give you what goes on down here in this hour of the day? And it's very quiet, obviously. Get hot coffee right there, or burritos also. Take a walk. I think they still have payphones, believe it or not. Very rare to see those around. I don't even know if it works. Probably not. Here's another one. I think that one's out of order, wouldn't you say? I think so. Lots of taxis. A guy laughed at me when I was looking at that telephone. Obviously not in use. Probably been there for 30, 40 years. El pollo 3 burrito.
Pollo, amigo. Chuleta con opal. Puro chuleta con opal.
Burrito? 3. So I'm picking up this fella. Oh, thank you. 2. Oh, 2. One more, 3. No more? Okay, 2. How much? 4. You can keep. Thank you very much. I love Mexican food. Very good. Thank you very much. Yes, YouTuber. So that's the end of this video of a quick early morning walk here in Tijuana, Mexico. Hope you enjoyed it. It's always fun to come and do this early in the morning just to kind of get familiar with your surroundings. And you know, if you like this video, please hit the like button. It really does help out my channel. And consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from Tijuana, Mexico.